Hey y'all, welcome back to another Divine Nature video. I just wanted to bring you a quick video on something that I just had to share. So this video is specifically going to be on a resource that all parents, all teachers, anybody working with kids needs to know about. The title of this resource that I think is like pretty much one of my best resources that I stumbled upon, but it's called Teachers Pay Teachers. And this is so good, so good. Well, like I said, Teachers Pay Teachers is such a great resource. This is a platform where, let me just tell you, it's a platform basically where homeschool teachers, moms, teachers that work in the school system it gave them all a platform to basically create any teaching tool that you're gonna create and sell it. Sell it online for like a reasonable price. Most of the time we go to like Lakeshore or Walmart, Target, and find different teaching books and bookstores and stuff like that. And the books are kind of pricey, right? However, this is an area where you can come and find things for like $6, and all you have to do is assemble it. You can find stuff for free. You can find stuff for $3. You can find booklets and tools for like $16. So it depends, and it's all separated through like age group and things like that. But what I'm about to do is share my screen, and I'm gonna show you how it works, and I hope you guys like it. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go check out all the other stuff. And don't forget, we do story time pretty much like every other video for kids. If you want your kids to listen to it, or you're just on the road and they won't be quiet, here's a quick story. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the website, Teachers Pay Teachers. Okay, teacherspayteachers.com. On this, you will see that you have your search bar at the top. You have all this stuff. I am logged in, so I have my own personal account. You'll create an account, and let's just go here. So let's say you pre-K, right? Let's just, because we are doing home child cares. So you could just put the grade level of pre-K in, period, and you don't have to like write a specific topic or anything, right? So right here you have like STEM bins. So let's just click on this. She's selling this for $7.50. She tells you the level grades that it helps, the subject areas, what format it's in, and how many pages. They do give you a couple of examples, as you can see, and then you also can like add them, follow them, so to speak, and then you can see everything else that they do. Like everybody has their own pages. Also, if you are somebody that creates your own material, you are welcome to come on here and sell your material as well. I am in the process of trying to figure out how to do that too, so check me out. And then it just goes on and on. As you can see, $4 free. That's for bulletin boards. $20. $10. This is a workbook. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I purchased and particularly like. So I'm going to go to my tab. I'm going to go to, you can make a wish list. I'm going to go to my purchases. And then on my purchases, this is everything I've ever purchased from here, right? So here is something, you can leave reviews. I follow this beautiful lady, JD. She has a YouTube channel as well that I like to follow. She's a stay-at-home mom, and she homeschools her kids and occasionally other people's kids. But she has good little, like, this is free. And as you can see, it's pre-handwriting worksheets for toddlers. I like to use them all the way as you see right here, it says K, pre-K to K. And this is just those beginning skills to get them to follow the path, to start writing, things like that. She has so much work. Oh my gosh. So much great work too. And then you have other, like, I make a lot of file folder games, as you saw in the other video. You have file folder templates. You have cutting practice cutting. Where is, oh, this was good because I did like my dramatic play area. I did a doctor's office, and of course you don't want to buy everything, like all the posters, but this was cool because everything was labeled in there. So like all the thermometers, the Band-Aids, so I had a jar for everything, and this is where I came to get those labels, like history. Where is some of the workbooks? And it's a lot of good people on here that, as you can see, I have 3 page fulls. Okay, so this is something from the lady that I told you. Just simple stuff like this. And granted, these are same things that you could buy at Target or Walmart or the not library, but bookstores for workbooks for kids. But these are homemade, so they may be a little different, but then they're also cheaper, in my opinion, right? You get the books. They are one-time use unless you copy them, and they are $12 usually in it. And with price inflation, they're probably a little bit more expensive. But circle the beginning sound. That's obviously a corn. What sound does corn start with? C or E, and they will circle the one that it belongs to. So, didn't want to make this video too long, but come on here, explore. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you guys go check out Teachers Pay Teachers. It's such an awesome website, such a great resource to use, and tell me what you guys think about it. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.